Hey there guys, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever. This is the June Ipsy glambag. Yes, it's a flashback, throwback, whatever you want to call it, time warp unboxing. So, it's flying colors. It was all about celebrating diversity for Pride Month. Yay! Fun times. So we have lots of fun flying color looks. But let's get into the products. We got the June flying colors. There were like 3 different bags. There was a blue one, a red one, and a yellow one. I got the yellow one. So it's all about Pride Month. And it says Pride Month is so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to completely be themselves. So, there we go. That was all about pride. And I can't think, yeah, it was like all these, everybody got a shout out, celebrating their individual beauty. I went to Taylor Swift in June, so I figured I'd wear my Taylor Swift shirt for this video. I am really excited because there is a fun product in here that is so me. It is so on brand. It is the Pacifica Tomboy Vibe eyeshadow palette. Yes, Tomboy Vibe for Tomboy Beauty. Isn't that freaking great? Yes, yes, it is great. And then we have SooAE. I'm sure I am pronouncing this wrong. If someone knows SooAE, but there's 2 of them. It's charcoal clay bubble mask. So, you know me and charcoal. I love it. Detoxifies. Makes your skin all clear. I'm just so excited still over this. Oh my gosh. And there's even one called Tomboy and Rebel, which is pretty cool. And I'm excited to try that. That is going with me today on my travels. Then we have the Firma Beauty blush brush. It's a very soft brush. Just a light dusting of blush. It's a cool wide handle. It's perfect for blending, doing highlighter. Oh, it is cruelty-free and vegan. So there's that. Then we have Makeup Forever. Step 1, it's primer. I love primer under my foundation. It is, Makeup Forever is great. Then we have Feel Pure Anywhere Balm in Rose. It's a pink. I guess you can put it on your lips, you can put it on your knuckles, you can put it wherever. Anyway, it's just going to keep your skin soft. So, I would tell you what it smells like, but it's got one of those little on it. I don't know why I just called it that, but it did. Anyway, I'm going to go try my freaking awesome Pacifica eyeshadow that's all tomboy like me, loving my sports and stuff. I will see you next time. You know what to do. Stay beautiful.